Predators can cause a lot of harm and losses to you as a fish farmer. They descend into the fish farm, pick and consume the fish, and that is a great loss to you as a farmer. This might not end there. Sometimes they even contaminate the water in the fish pond, and that can also cause more mortalities. So as a fish farmer, try all you can to protect your fish from predators. After all, there's a popular saying that prevention is better than cure. When you protect your farm, it is better than when predators have attacked you and now you are now running helter-skelter to provide solution or protection for the farm. And if you are wondering how to do this or how to protect your fish from predators, I got you covered in this video. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 practical ways of protecting your fish farm against predators. And before we dive in, if you are new to the channel and you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, share the video and let it reach more people. All we do here is share tips on fish farming. Let's grow our fish farm together. The first and foremost, you need to use predation nets. And predation nets are physical barriers that are used to cover the fish ponds. And such barriers, it covers so that when predators like bears are trying to descend into the pond, then the bears or the net will deter them. And there are instances the net will also trap them for you. The nets are different types, so make sure you get the durable one and always keep it maintained. And when you are fixing or when you fix it, always try to make sure that there are no gaps where predators can find their way into the pond and harvest your fish. So make sure you always check it and get the right net for the farm. The second one is to install electric fencing. Electric fencing is where you put electricity cables around the pond that shocks predators, even including humans, because humans also predate them. And when you are fixing those electric fence, make sure that you have a low voltage installed so that it will not be so deep and so high that it will be killing the animals or the humans. It will only shock them a little and chase them away. So providing electric fence will ensure that it chases away birds, animals, reptiles, and all those that feed on fish. This is basically or most importantly for land-based predators. The third thing you have to do or you can do is to create perimeter barriers. Creating perimeter barriers is to have physical or tangible barriers or fencing. For instance, you can build a wall around your fish pond or you fence it with straw, cable or wire so that if any predator is attempting to go in, such will serve as a barrier, and it is also mostly based on the land-based predators. The fourth thing you can do is to employ scattering tactics. Employing scattering tactics will ensure that when predators come into the fish farm, it will scare them. This can be transparent or shiny objects, or it can be tips, or it can be alarm, so that when anything or any animal or human comes into the fish farm, the alarm will blow or they will produce a sound that will chase or scare them away. So in that case, this can be also be done alongside with security cameras or CC cameras that will always monitor and produce the sound or the alarm when the animals or the predators come around. The fifth one you can do is to keep a guide animal. Keeping a pet around your site, for instance, dog. Train the dog to trace or to chase away predators. Even though cats also predate on fish, but you can also keep cats and train them not to eat or predate on the fish, and rather preserve or deter away predators. For instance, cats chase away snakes, and snakes are also the most common predators. So when you keep pets like cats around your farm, if there is any snake that comes around, the cat is going to chase it away. Or if you keep dog, the dog will chase all animals that will deter or that will try to feed on the fish, including human. So keeping a guide animal will help you to reduce the loss of fish through predators. Now the sieve, and the last point is you can use motion activated lighting. The motion activated lighting is a more technological method where you will put in lighting systems and sensors. So when animals or predators come around the fish pond, the sensors will sense the presence of that predator, and then a flashing light is going to produce, and that light will deter or will chase them away. This method is usually best in the night or during the night, and it is during the night time that predation is very high. So when you have that installed and predators come around and it produces the light and chase them away, that is another way of preventing predation from your farm. Yes, in this video I have shown you the 6 methods, and just a way of summary, we have you can use predation net, you can install electric fencing, you can create a perimeter barriers, you can employ scary tactics, you can keep a guide animal, then you can use motion activated lighting. And mind you, there are instances where one of this or mostly one of this cannot give you 100% protection. Sometimes you need to use 2 or more methods to get 100% prevention or protection. And if you cannot use and you even have one and reduce it, that's fine. For instance, at our farm, we are using wall. We have wall built around our farm, so no authorized people can enter, and even no animal can even enter. However, the birds are also around, and they're also predators. So to ensure 100% predation from the birds or the net, we also provided predation nets, especially when the fish are self-fingerling, they are smaller. That's the time birds can easily predate or can easily pick them. So we have provided predation nets alongside the wall so that the land-based animals or predators cannot get in. But when the birds also fly around, then the predation nest is also going to trap or prevent them from attacking your farm. So we are using these 2 systems, and I'm sure that we have at least 100%, if not at least 90% of our fish being secured from predators. Let me know in the comment section, which method are you using to protect your farm from predators? And put it in the comments, and let's see how effective that is. If not, try to adopt 1 or 2 of these methods to protect your fish from predators. If you found value in the video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share the video, and let it reach more people. My name is Abdulaziz Issa, and I thank you for watching. And don't forget to watch the video in the next screen.